ever, man. God damn, he loses all his shields and I'll fucking shoot the fuck out of him.
That's crap.
He lost all of his fucking shields.
Who was it?
Tom, man. No, seriously, I really want to beat the fuck out of him.
Leave that. Oh, come on, man.
Oh, I thought you stuck him.
I never died.
In the fucking face, dang it. Look at him fucking hiding.
That was gonna be you and me. One-on-one. That one.
You gonna ramp on him?
Got him.
Oh. I jumped off!
God damn, man.
We had plans?
What do you guys play to? Close that door. Hey, Tom's coming. Keep on straight.
Tom's coming.
Tom's coming. Run, bitches.
The hell
Damn,
is
that's
there?
about the fucking lasers at.
If he didn't die, dude, I was gonna say that's fucking garbage.
I'm sure that's all you were gonna say.
Yeah. Fuck you, Bowman.
I'm serious, you know.
Fuck you, piece of shit. Laser, you tiny little bitch.
Yeah, haha, fucker.
Yeah, he tried. How'd you die twice? Oh.
Come on, fucking turn.
That was cool. Oh, I landed.
Oh, there's another.
I don't have to tip this one.
Did you shoot at that fucker?
Oh shit. I thought that was. Ah shit. Fuck.
Power slide down too.
Why are we still in last place?
Out there.
Reaper. Reaper, whose team are you on? Alright, Hoover, play as Reaper.
Fuck no. What the fuck ever, man?